Hurry, Bunny. It's bedtime.
Okay, Mummy Bunny.
I'll be right there to tuck you in.
Okay. I'm going to sleep soon. I love bedtime. Ooh. You want to know why? It's because I get to snuggle up under my blanket. I love my blanket. It's so nice and cozy. My blanket has pretty pictures on it. I can play peekaboo under my blanket. Peekaboo! I see you! Hey! Who turned out the lights? I feel so warm and comfy under my blanket.
Your good night kiss is on its way, love.
Ooh, Mummy Bunny's coming. I'll hide under the blanket. See you soon. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.